Hi friends, today we can see about the two-port network in circuit theory. Actually, this two-port network topic is very important and very easy topic also, and there will be at least two questions in TRB Polytechnic exam or in either in the TNEB exam, or maybe they will be asking minimum two questions, either in 1 mark or 2 mark. They will be repeatedly asking. So this is a very important topic and very easy also. We need to know the simple concepts. Okay, we need to know the simple properties. We need to know the simple definitions, and we need to know the what is the conditions for the different parameters. Okay. So we can get to the topic. What is a two-port network? A two-port network consists of two pairs of terminals in which one pair of terminal is designed as input and other is being output. Two-port, actually from the name itself there is a two-port network. So one pair of input will be the input, another pair will be the output. Okay. Z parameter. Z parameter is nothing but a open circuit impedance parameter. Z parameter is nothing but a open circuit impedance parameters. Okay. The Z parameter equation is nothing but V1 V2 is equal to Z11 Z12 2122 into I1 I2. This is the Z parameter format, and there's two properties. Okay, condition for reciprocal is nothing but Z12 equal to Z21. Very important. Condition for reciprocal is Z12 equal to Z21. Condition for symmetry is Z11 is equal to Z22. Okay, this is the condition for reciprocal and the condition for symmetry. Then Y parameter is nothing but admittance parameter. Its equation, it format as I1 I2 is equal to Y11 12 21 T2 into V1 V2. Okay. Then hybrid parameters, H parameters. Okay. V1 I2 I1 V2. V1 I2 is equal to H11 12 21 22 into I1 V2. Okay. ABCD parameters are transmission or chain parameters. Okay. V1, the for ABCD parameters, the format will be V1 I1 ABCD V2 minus A2. We need to know that the other name of ABCD is also we will call as transmission parameters or chain parameters. Okay, we need to know that very clearly. Okay, these are the four parameters we are going to see. Actually, they will be asked to determine, they will be giving Z parameters and they will asking Y parameters, and they will giving Y parameters and they are asking Z parameters. Like this vice versa, they will be asking the questions. We need to know the, actually there is a in the equation format also we cannot solve, but in the exam point of view we need to know this table very clearly. Okay, from this table we will be able to obtain the answer in very easy formula. Without solving the equation, we just find the equivalent parameters, and from that equivalent parameters we will be able to solve the objective parameters, or which parameter they are asking. Okay, first of all, from Z to Z the same will be from when we need Z parameter from Y parameters, the format will be y22 del y in the 1 1 matrix, then minus y12 del y, then y21 del y, which is minus y21 del y, and then y11 del y. Okay, then from Z to Y they are asking Y parameters and they given Z parameters. Then the condition will be Z22 by del Z minus Z12 by del Z minus Z21 by del Z and Z11 by del Z. Okay, then they are asking Y to Y, the same format will be given. They are given Z parameters and they are asking ABCD parameter, means the condition will be Z11 by Z21 del Z by Z21 1 by Z21 Z22 by Z21. Okay, and they given Y parameters and they are asking ABC parameter is minus Y22 by Y21 minus 1 by Y21 del Y by 1 to 1 minus Y11 by 1 to 1. Okay, and they given Z parameters and they are asking H parameter, means del Z by Z22 Z12 by Z22 minus Z21 by Z22 1 divided by Z22. Then they given Y parameters and they are asking H parameter is, the condition will be 1 divided by Y11 minus Y12 by Y11 Y21 by Y11 del Y by Y11. This is the reciprocity condition for the two-port network. Okay, Actually we may it will be very clear that when we're solving on problem based on the above table, okay, we can see the problem. The impedance parameters of a two-port network given is Z11 is equal to 6 ohm, Z22 is equal to 4 ohm, Z12 equal to Z21 is equal to 3 ohm. Compute the Y parameters and ABCD parameters. Okay, they given Z parameters and they are asking Y parameters and ABCD parameters. Okay, we know that Z parameters format is 6334, which is Z1 to 1112 2122 format. Okay, then they are given Z parameters and they are asking Y parameters. Then we need to know the condition for obtaining Y parameter from Z parameters. That is nothing but Z22 by del Z minus Z12 by del Z minus Z21 by del Z and Z11 by del Z. Del Z nothing but from the Z matrix, Z parameter matrix, we obtain del Z, which is nothing but 15, and then we just substituting the values in the above equation, above matrix format. Then we obtain Y, that is admittance matrix, that is Y is nothing but 4 by 15 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 2 by 5. This is the required Y parameter matrix. Okay, then for obtaining ABCD parameters from the given YZ parameters, we need to know that del Z is we obtained is del Z 15, and the condition is nothing but Z11 12 21 22 format is Z11 by Z21 del Z by Z21 1 by Z21 Z22 by Z21. Okay, then we just substituting the values of the Z matrix parameters in the ABCD parameters. We obtained that 2 5 1 by 3 4 by 3. Okay, then we write in the standard ABCD matrix format. This will be the final equation. Okay, first of all we need to bring the given or the given data format into any standard parameter matrix, either Z or Y parameters, and then we should proceed to the what they are asking from the reciprocity condition. Suppose the given Z parameters and they are asking Y parameters, means first of all we need to write the Z parameters and then the condition for to obtain Y parameter from the Z parameters. Like that also for if they are asking ABCD parameter from Z parameter, means we need to write the condition to obtain Z parameter from ABCD parameters, and then we solving the equation. Okay, we can see the next problem in the next video. Thank you.